Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair, and as you'll see in this video, we had to remove a few parts to replace the complete strut assembly. Today we are replacing a set of front complete strut assemblies on a 2000 Chevy Camaro. This set fits the 1993 to 2002 Camaro and the 1993 to 2002 Pontiac Firebird, all models. We recommend using Speedy Struts by Sensen when replacing your worn out struts. Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies come with a limited lifetime warranty. Sensen uses OE grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality. Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 13mm socket and a 15mm wrench to remove the two lower bolts, a 15mm socket to remove the nuts holding the master cylinder, a screwdriver to unplug the sensor, a T50 torque bit to remove the two back bolts on top, a 15mm socket to remove the two front nuts and the nut holding the upper ball joint, pliers to remove the pin holding the upper ball joint, a hammer to tap the ball joint loose, a 14mm socket to replace the nuts and bolts on top.
But of course that would be like the hen house over to the top.
Be a 13. Move the two lower strut mounting bolts to the control arm. Put a wrench on the top. 15. 15 and a 13. Okay. Looks like the only thing that's left is what's up there. Gonna have to come out here. As you can see, this one here is not going to come out without removing the master cylinder. So I'm going to pull them off and slide it over. These are going to be 15mm. Unplug the sensor, level sensor. Down the way. be a T50 fork. These two are going to be 15 millimeter. Remove this here. That's the ball joint. $15 millimeter.
Give her a loaner car and I'll get her on her way.
Those are 14 millimeter.
Okay, here's what we're going to do. Can we get this thing so she can drive it?
15 on top, 13 on the bottom. Put the ball joint back on. It's 15 millimeter. Lower it and put the master cylinder on. Actually, put the tire on right here. Put your master cylinder back in.
This concludes our front complete strut assemblies installation on a 2000 Chevy Camaro. Be sure to look for our rear strut installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.